So the visuals that you're seeing on your screen are of the crash that happened in Churu. And as we told you, this is a third crash this year, which brings us to question as to what is happening to the Jaguar fleet. For more on this, let's cut across to India Today's Shivani Sharma. Shivani, what are the confirmed points that we are hearing from the Indian Air Force now? It's been sufficient time now. Indian Air Force must be putting out an official statement also. And do tell us, are there any concerns as far as the Jaguar fleet of India is concerned?
See, Anjali, we are still waiting for the confirmed details from the Indian Air Force, and what we've been getting through the sources is that this was a Jaguar aircraft of the Indian Air Force that has crashed in Rajasthan's Ratangarh in one of the villages in empty field. What the standard operating procedure is that, Anjali, when a crash happens, first of all, the authorities, especially the Indian Air Force's officials, they rush to the ground, and along with the authorities, the local police, they are continuing the rescue operations and ascertaining the details. And then a court of inquiry is ordered to investigate the cause of crash. And in this particular crash also, what we are learning, a Jaguar has crashed. And it is very significant, as you asked about the question. And this question has been quite pertinent because this happens to be a third Jaguar that has crashed in last 5 months. Earlier, a crash happened in Ambala and in Jamnagar also. So whenever a court of inquiry comes out, then only we can know the exact reason of the crash. But yes, we've been seeing that Jaguars have been a part of Indian Air Force's fleet since more than 4 decades now. And they have also been upgraded with the HAL, upgrading these fighters. But certainly, the 3 crashes in 5 months raise questions again about the aging fleet of the Jaguars, and the Indian Air Force is yet to give out details of this particular crash. What is the situation of the pilots? Nothing is confirmed yet. We are getting all this from the sources, but yes, the pictures speak and they are telling us that this was a crash in Rajasthan's village, where some people have also said that apart from the explosion that they heard, they could also see the bodies inside the wreckage of this fighter jet.